what we can say here is you develop skill by applying your knowledge about user stories. That's the thing. So one of the thing is that, okay, maybe you study about user stories. You might attend a training program where you learn about user story. That's something one can do. And after doing that, you need to start writing user story. Now, the problem which I find in many cases is that we directly think of developing skills or writing the user stories. But user stories usually come at a later stage. But first, we need to develop an overall understanding of the product vision, the product need, and set of personas who are going to use the product. So maybe product personas or a user role needs to be understood well. Many times, people directly think of writing the user story without having a clear understanding of who is the user. So we're writing the user story by saying, as a user, I should be able to do this. Looks little difficult. As an application user, they may improve a little bit of it. So if I'm writing a user story for Facebook, I should not be writing as a Facebook user, I should be able to do it. Or if I'm writing a user story for a flight booking system, I should not be writing as a flight booking system user, I should be able to do it. That's the whole intent is getting missed. So we need to learn about how do we understand the product, its business model, its target segment, and the personas. That's the first thing we should do. And once we do that, then we focus on that how do we take that thing forward. Okay, I understood the user persona, I understood the user profile. Now how do I meet the user need now? Yeah. And then I convert them into maybe initially at an epic level usage statement, and later on at a user story level, small slicing. So that's something I can do at a later stage. So we do have an example which is available at OGuild. Again, we call it wowhotels.com. In the resource section you can find it. There are, I think, few user stories which are written, and personas are also defined. So start looking at the product, the personas, user roles, and then exploring those requirement in the small pieces incrementally can help you in getting the whole understanding. Again, the idea of user story is developing product incrementally, having the just-in-time conversation related to the requirement, and having the conversation which is more focused on the value which is going to a targeted customer. So that's the whole idea. Rest is mechanical part of it. So understand the whole background of it, and then start working on, look at some of the good user stories. We have few example in our portal, and then maybe work with some mentors, write some draft user stories. One of the possible thing is that you can focus on in many job interviews. I am finding that people, like interviewer asks them, oh, write a user story for internet banking system, or write a user stories for flight booking system. So those kind of things are even asked in interview, but you can do it yourself as well. If you are not getting an opportunity to work in the environment where user story is used as a tool for requirement exploration, you can pick up any established product, write the user story, and work with some mentor, get them reviewed, take a feedback, and then probably that can help you in improving that. So that's one possible thing one can do. So training and mentoring and feedback loop can help you in developing the better user stories. Now, what one can do, we also run a 3-hour long user story writing workshop. We do have this schedule in our OGuild events page. So if you are interested in joining that, it's a paid workshop of $10, just to ensure that only serious people come. But yeah, you can join that as well in order to develop skills in the user stories.